Okay guys, today basically I just want to showcase one of the muzzle that I designed from the Rapidstrike mod that I'm working on. So basically after purchasing the Slingfire cosmetic kit, and I thought, hey, this is actually a good idea. You can have 3D printed part with multiple colors, and you can join them and you create some visual difference to bring out the design even more. So that's what inspired me to work on this muzzle over here, which comprised of a few pieces. Again, this will act as a lock for the battery compartment itself, as of my other Rapidstrike muzzle. You can all of those can be found in my Thingiverse account. This will be posted there as well. Okay, so for this, it comes with a few parts. I did not print out the filler piece, so eventually I'll print it out and then put it there, just like the rest. So over here to assemble is very simple. So over here you can slide in the catch. Okay, it should go in nicely. If you need a little bit of persuasion, you can just use a small mallet and you can lock it in. The other side as well, you just slot in nicely. Okay, you have to position it. Okay, let me see. Okay, so it might take some time for you to find the right angle to do it, but it will go in nicely. Let me see. Oh, I forgot. Okay, this you got to insert this guy first, because if not it will affect the catch over there. So you have to do this guy first. Okay, the top part first. Okay, so you go in. Okay, at the very last, okay, just should go in nicely. Okay, you overlap with there's a catch here, you overlap. Okay, so at the end of the video I'll show you the how to print all this in what orientation. Okay, so over here, done. So there you have it. This is the muzzle itself. Okay, let's have a close-up look at it. Okay, yeah, okay, so all right. Okay, so basically, yeah, you will just for Rapidstrike over here. So you have your battery compartment, and this guy will go in, slot it up, then you will lock the battery compartment as of the rest of the thing. So again, the filler piece I'll print it out some other time. Okay, but I'll put all this in the Thingiverse account, so you can go and download it. Also, I include the source file. I've used Design Spark Mechanical, so feel free to go and do some remix of it. Change the top and the bottom. You can do whatever you like with it. It'll be nice. Now, basically, what I want is because Rapidstrike, if we take a look at Rapidstrike, we have a lot of sort of like holes in between, and then more slot like this at the side. So I want to keep that design element throughout the whole blaster. So that's why I have all this design going on over here. So if you were to recall what I make for the store, so it'll be something like this, right? So that's why I want to make it consistent, as well as there's a repeat of pattern of all this kind of little store, and then there are holes like this. So you more or less gel with the entire blaster if you fit it up. Yeah, so I'm Tungsten. So thanks for watching. So yeah, if you like the video, hit a like, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. So thanks for watching. I'm Tungsten.